cook her something later, okay? She's right in front of me. She's on the couch. She's just I don't know what she's doing, okay?
Yeah, whatever. Bye. I'll cook you so much later, Lena. But Mom wants you to take your pills ASAP. Oh, and she called you an antisocial psycho.
Yo, Nick, where'd you get the...
Trying to get the ball in, you gon' need a box set. Y'all ain't cut the lock.
Hey, Lena.
Was this thing here before?
What, your fingers?
Haha, very funny. But no, I mean this. Paper crossbow. We used to play with it when we were young, remember? It fell out from out of nowhere.
You
Didn't you
didn't
see
take
it?
your pills? Cover your freaking mouth. Look, Lena, just take the damn pills, okay? See, now I know why Mom calls you an antisocial psycho, because, I mean, look at you. I have much better nicknames for you.
Well, I can't take pills on an empty stomach.
Then why don't you go eat something?
Well,
Make
why
yourself
don't you go make it for me then?
Alright. Okay. Freaking chill out. I have a life, by the way. So I'm just... Bye. Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Lena? Lena, what the hell? Take the pills. Look, Lena, I'm sorry I punched you, but... What the shit was that, Lena? I mean, you know it wasn't real, right? Open your mouth. Okay. I'm gonna call Mom, okay? Just stay here. Just don't move.